Hello friends, today's our topic is male reproductive system. First of all, humans are sexually reproducing and viviparous organisms, means give birth to young ones. Reproductive events in male, first of all, gametogenesis, second, insemination, third, fertilization, implantation, gestation, and then parturition means delivery of child. Male reproductive system, two organs are present: primary sex organ and secondary sex organs. Primary sex organs are testes and secondary sex organ is accessory gland, external genitalia. Primary sex organ, it is responsible for gametogenesis and sex hormones, and secondary sex organs functions are transportation and conduction of gametes. The testis located outside the abdominal cavity in a pouch called scrotum.
The testis located outside the abdominal cavity in a pouch. This is called scrotum. Reason? What is reason? Spermatogenesis temperature is lower 2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius lower than body temperature. Testis development start in abdominal cavity via inguinal canal during 7 months of descent of testis before birth. So I can call it as an extra abdominal. Cry pro
is sterile and the higher chance of cancer. What is castration? It is a term for a surgery to removal of testes. The layer of testis is called tunica. These are three layers. First, outer layer tunica vaginalis, second, middle layer tunica albuginea, third, inner layer called tunica vasculosa. Shape of testis: oval shape, length 4 to 5 cm, width 2 to 3 cm, enclosed in outer tough capsule of collagenous connective tissue. Tunica albuginea. Inguinal canal help in descent of testis from abdomen to scrotum. The connection between scrotum and abdomen through the inguinal canal. Scrotum and testis are attached to double fold of peritoneum. This is called gubernaculum. It represents mesorchium. Each testis has 250 compartments called testicular lobule. These lobules contain highly coiled tubule called seminiferous tubule. In one lobule, 1 to 3 tubule per lobule. Seminiferous tubule attached to tubuli recti, and in seminiferous tubule the formation of sperm. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.